Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. And firstly, we need to update software version on for your earbuds. So open LG TONE Free application and you need to add your earbuds. After that you will see the same menu here. You just scroll down and at the bottom we have software update. Click on it and check for updates. I have the last software version. If you haven't, you can update it in this menu. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case, open the lid. Right here at the top we have touch controls, these dots. And you need to press and hold at the both of these touch controls until this LED light starts blinking red. Firstly it blinked blue because we enter break mode, but you just keep holding. And now we have red LED light. So you can release your fingers and then we need to remove these earbuds and then add it. So to do this, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Then, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have Apple devices, I recommend it to just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And then click on your earbuds at the device list. And we did it. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. So put it to the charging case and fully charge. Then, if the battery level are the same, amazing. If it doesn't, I recommend it to contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.